going over are bee propolis and royal jelly. These are both bee products, and we're going to start with bee propolis. Propolis is a bee product collected by the worker bees from the leaves and barks of trees. Propolis, along with beeswax, is actually one of the main ingredients used to construct their hives. But the cool thing about bee propolis is that there are studies that have shown some amazing results for women with endometriosis. In a study from Fertility and Sterility, women who were taking bee propolis had a pregnancy rate of 60%, whereas those who took the placebo had a pregnancy rate of 20%. So that is pretty incredible for a natural product helping women with endometriosis boost their fertility. The other bee product that we're going to talk about that's a fertility superfood is royal jelly. Now, the cool thing about royal jelly is that it is the food that is fed to the queen bee that makes her a queen. All girl bees are born exactly the same, but then they choose one that will be queen and they feed her royal jelly, and then she becomes a queen. And the most amazing thing about that is she goes on to lay 2,000 eggs a day. So that's an extremely fertile bee. So royal jelly has been shown to help women to ovulate. Women that are having trouble ovulating, such as women with polycystic ovary syndrome, or women that for some reason just are not ovulating. So both of these are great foods to take on a daily basis to help increase your fertility. They are both also extremely dense in nutrients, in vitamins and minerals, and in immune system boosting properties. So everyone can benefit from taking these products. But I have to tell you, if you are allergic to bee products or think